Fantastic base. Crap. Oh. You're out. With one arm. Stay. Jump, 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 jump. Ah! Wait. Wait. Oh, man. Crap, what happened? Man, you can't rely on these tripods for anything. This shot is dedicated to Babe Ruth. What do you have against Babe Ruth? Oh crap. Oh crap. No. Oh shoot. What? Good hit. Than it looks. Good hit, Babe. Oh my gosh. The Babe just signaled where he's going to hit it. It's a long drive! Going! Going! Not going. I don't believe what I just saw! That's from the wrong team. Alright, now we really gotta go get that ball because somebody's gonna run it over. Bucket. This is why baseball practice takes so long. Because everybody thinks that they're Kobe. Not in my house. Baseball is short there is. Kobe ain't gonna be here. Got team! Oh! Got team! Oh! You didn't talk to me, I talked to